I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna be live streaming every day. I think we're gonna pick it up again in March. Follow me on Instagram. I post there regularly. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, I am back to YouTube. Been quite a while, 3 years I think, but I'm here to start making videos again. The past several years, I've been working on other projects. I started a company called the Dragon Trappers Lodge, where we make STL files for 3D printing for games like Dungeons and Dragons. We make miniatures, all sorts of cool creatures, stuff that I always wanted to do. And it's been super fun. We've made hundreds of models at this point, and we're still going strong making more. But I decided, you know what? I think it's time to come back to YouTube, time to start making more courses, and I wanted to come back with a bang. So what do we have planned? What's coming up next? I'm gonna be posting more videos every week. Probably won't be as frequent as it used to be, where at some points I was doing every day, probably 2 or 3 videos a week. I'm going to be making new courses. I have a new Discord, which you can check out in the description below, where you can meet up with other artists. We already have several hundred people in there, and it's a really cool community. You can share your art, you can get feedback, share your art memes, get some motivation, and we even have a new bot that will give you automated prompts that are sort of randomized on creatures, characters, mechs. It's really cool. Lastly, the thing that I'm most excited about coming up is my new website, where I will be creating courses that cover all sorts of topics. Everything from Udemy will be getting moved over there, so it will be on its own site, and you'll be able to take whatever course you want to access them in your course library. So I'm really excited to be back. I'm excited to start making new content. We're going to be making all sorts of different types of videos, not just tutorials. We'll be doing some React stuff, reacting to TikTok art tips. We're going to be doing some more art challenges and some fun things, trying out some different ideas. So if you have things that you want to see or certain ideas on what sort of videos I should make, go ahead and leave them in the comments. Let me know. And if you're excited for the new direction and you want to see what's to come, then be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. That is it. And for real this time, I will see you guys in the next one.